when my mother was 12 and the Vilna Troupe was beginning, my father was an actor in Poland. I think it's Poland or Lithuania. Then it kept changing from one to the other. And he was 7 years older. He came to the house of my grandfather. He heard about my grandfather, and he came, and the little girl answered the door. It was my mother. And he started to be in the company, in the Vilna Troupe. And he was seen as quite a good actor. And they married when my mother was 16. They were married for 62 years. He was the love of her life. I mean, she was the woman behind the man in this case of this relationship, as was so for a lot of the people of that generation. She sometimes squelched her own needs to prop his up in terms of acting, in terms of theater. But they had an amazing bond because their vision of what was important was theater and making art. And they didn't care about money. Money was not an issue ever. Security was an issue. They wanted very much to make me safe. And they always said, you'll never have to worry. Which was, they were very organized, they were very disciplined, they were very detailed in the way they took care of things and did things. They were very strong together. And my father may have strayed from time to time. He was out of town for months at a time. He would go to Israel for 4 or 5 months. He would be in Hollywood. But basically, they loved each other. And one day, if you ever see this video that NYU made, you'll hear my mother speaking about my father, and it was really real because they respected each other's intelligence and their art and their decency. They were very decent people, very nice people, really. I like them.